Hey guys, Chris here with another tutorial about Flash. First, open your Flash, okay? I think this will work with all flashes. Select the size of your working area and let's start. What I will teach you today is how to make this effect of these things and how to make these two buttons work. Let's put this in the side and just cut. Now let's start animating into this um, working area. In here you see layer 1. In this little I guess you can say paper, in this square you press twice so it can create two more layers. In the first layer call it BG for background, in the second layer call char for character, and in the third buttons. Okay, in the first one just draw a simple thing like the clouds or the a simple background. Okay, I'll just make this, the sky, and some very gay grass. And now lock this layer in here in this ball and go to the layer char from character. Let's just make a simple stickman walking, okay? Or even flying, or something stupid, okay? Let's just draw a red ball. Okay, now let's draw the reflex. Convert this to symbol. Movie clip, okay? Let's make like this. Like if it was bouncing. Like just make the ball bouncing or something. Make your own animation, but don't care about the size of the animation, because the size doesn't count. You can make it as big as you want, but this will not work. This technique that I'm teaching you today will not work on YouTube. It will work on SWF format, so it will work in websites and newgrounds and that kind of stuff. So let's see, we have a bouncing ball. Okay, it's not too bad, I think. Now we have the animation ready. In the buttons layer, go to the buttons layer and make something like a circle like this, a simple circle. Copy, paste it, okay, right here. Now because this is a quick tutorial, let's just make this simple. Let's make this a square as big as this to make the stop. And now here to make the play button. So we have a stop button and the play button. Convert each other to a symbol, but it has to be buttons, okay? Button. Type of symbol, button. Registration middle, call it play button. Now let's go to the stop button, make the same thing but call it stop button. Click OK. Now let's go into each other, press, make 2 more frames. In the second one, make it a little bigger and put it in the same place as it was, like this. In the third one, make it brighter, like if it was being pressed, because it will be pressed. Okay? Now let's do the same in the other one. 2 more, make it bigger, put it in the same place. Do the third one, make it brighter. Now let's make like pink or something. Yeah, this. And now as you see, as it plays, it only makes like this effect that we did. Okay? It only makes this, but it doesn't stop or play. So what we'll do is we'll insert the actions to the buttons. Okay? I will put this in the description because I will not have the time to tell you. Okay? Select the play button and go to actions, and then copy paste this, that it will be on the description. Now select the other one, the stop button, and copy the other thing that will be in the description. Okay, now you've done the actions for both buttons. Let's put them in the right place like this. Wait, put them in the same size so it gets a little bit cooler. If you want, I think you can put some effects in it, glow or something. High 300, glow, high 300, and put each other with each color. Okay. Okay, so let's test it. When you press this button, the stop button, it will stop. When you press the play button, it will play. Stop play, stop play, stop play, stop play, and so on. So this is my tutorial. For any more tutorials about Flash, just comment below or contact me through PM, personal message. This was a simple tutorial, easy to do, fast to do. Just when you make your animations, edit them like this, and you'll have an animation that it's like a movie, you know. So this is my tutorial. For any more, comment below. Bye. Bye, people. Chris shutting down in 3, 2, 1.